Everybody, this is John, and welcome to our free video. What we've got is a tale of a couple of different markets happening. So let's look at a couple of things here. First, we got the small caps, the micro caps. They just continue to rocket. And you would think that tech, of course, would be in the same category, and it's not quite. Don't get me wrong, it's not doing horrible, but you'll notice here that you've got a situation in tech which is a little bit more distribution. It's not really falling, it's not really selling. We're seeing some stocks like, Pinterest seems to be holding up pretty well, but then other stocks have been getting, they're just doing nothing. Now that might change a little bit after today. Netflix had earnings and after the close, and it's up $60, which is a legit move. The expected move was 30, so it's up 2 times the expected move. One of the things I like to do when a stock is up 2 times the expected move, especially I need to offset earnings trades that aren't working, is typically when it gaps up 2 times the expected move, it will trade sideways to up for the next 3 to 5 days. So there's certainly an opportunity to sell some put credit spreads on Netflix tomorrow. And then from there, what we want to keep an eye on is that we do have a lot of things coming up for earnings. So Tesla, are we going to get a run into earnings with Tesla? Had a nice day today, and it's just stuck in this wedge. So I personally am looking for a little bit of a pop out of that. But, Tesla could do anything here, of course. And then from there, we're going to have Amazon. We're going to have Google. Amazon's been a little lethargic as well. This is an example of what I mean by some of these big stocks. They've had big runs, and they're just kind of catching their breath. And at some point, do they end up exploding to the upside? Quite possibly. But these have been good to sell call credit spreads, into resistance as they kind of just settle back down near the fire line here. And so again, Netflix may change all that with the astounding earnings that they had today. But of course, these companies are a little bit different. They each have a little bit different business model. And of course, all eyes will also be on Google as well. So a lot of big earnings coming up the next couple of weeks. Personally, my favorite of these is Google at this point. I think they're, again, it's nice to have a monopoly, right? So we'll be looking at doing some positive plays on Google, probably some neutral plays on Amazon, seeing how Netflix plays out tomorrow, and then gearing up for Tesla earnings. All right? Hope you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.